Hello everyone. In the previous video, we just established UART serial 8-bit or sequential bytes of data transmission process using Raspberry Pi Pico W. So in this particular video, we are just going to do the UART reception of byte of data. How you can receive data using the same serial UART communication protocol. Let's get started. So this is the previous script that we have wrote, and this is the schematic diagram that I have built in the breadboard. I hope you remember this particular diagram that we built in the last video, where we transmitted a byte of data and a sequential bytes of data. But in this video, we are just going to receive a byte of data, and we are going to do a particular process. So let's say we are just going to print some data onto this cell whenever we transmit a data in this serial application or serial terminal software. So we are just going to transmit a byte of data from this particular serial terminal software to the Raspberry Pi Pico, and the Raspberry Pi Pico will print the same data or some other data onto this cell window right over here in Tony IDE. This is the process that we are going to do. So we don't want this write. Instead, we are just going to use a few APIs like or instances like UART any. So this UART any returns a true value whenever a byte of data is readily available in UART RX buffer. And here I am just going to declare and define a variable called data, and I am going to load the data onto the data variable. So UART.read instance help us to retrieve the RX buffer value and store it in a variable right over here. So data is the variable defined, and this read will help us to pick out the data that is available in RX buffer of UART protocol. And inside this if, I'm just going to put another if for checking whether the byte received is, let's take it to be A. If it is A, I will just print data received. Or let me just print it to be data on. And here, if it is B, I will just print data off. So this is just a logic that I have built. If I receive a character A, small a, I will print data on onto this cell window right over here. If it is character B, I will print data off. That's it. This is a simple logic, nothing much about it. I have just built a simple logic. Now I'm just saving this. Before running this program, let me just clear this, and let me just stop the simulation right over here in Tony IDE. Clear. Here, double click on this sequence. The benefit of using this doclet is you can save and use the data right over here. Just give whatever data that you want and click on OK. And here, double click on this, and I'm giving it as B. Now you can see when I click on this particular icon, it will send A. When I click on this particular icon, it will send B over the UART bus connector. Now I'm opening the Tony IDE. I'm running the program right over here. Before that, I'm just going to give 0.2 as the time delay right over here. Line number 13, there is some error. Sorry, this is not UART. It is confusing for me a bit. This is serial, that's it. Now when I run this, it is running. Now the thing is, I am running the communication port. Double click on this COM and check whether the Silicon Labs is connected, and baud rate is 1,15,200, 8 bits, parity is none, and stop bits 1. Now I am running this. I think the Python is already running in this. Now when I transmit A, you can see data on. When I transmit B, data off, A, B, data on off, data on off. So we successfully did UART reception or reception process in UART protocol, UART serial protocol in Raspberry Pi Pico W in this particular video. I hope you learned something new in this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.